Good morning, I'm Ashley with HP's Bees. Today is Saturday, March 14th, and we're doing splits. Right now the bees are focused on population growth, and by splitting our hives, we are helping to control and prevent a swarm. This process will also mimic their natural tendency to reproduce, but helps us to control what happens with the hives.
Okay, so before we do the splits, let's get into the first two hives and see if there's swarm cells. I know one of them had a swarm cell, and then we'll just look for swarming behavior in the other one, the second hive. So let's do that first, and then we'll make a decision on how we want to split the hives from there. But I'm pretty sure the first one's going to need to be split, and I mean, and also their orientation flights are pretty significant during the day now. So yeah, let's do that. Next couple of slides, you'll see me pulling out frames and inspecting them for just kind of resources, looking for eggs, looking for larvae. But in this one, I'm specifically looking at the bottoms of the frames because I'm looking for queen swarm cells. And this is a really good indicator that the colony that we're looking at is about to swarm. So right here, you'll see that kind of peanut looking thing with jelly looking stuff inside of it. That's actually a queen swarm cell. It's uncapped, but it's a good indicator that we need to split this colony into two.
Top or bottom? Well, it might have been on one of the other frames where we saw several of them. Okay.
Having those plastic frames on the end makes it so easy. If you have a lot of colonies to check and you're looking for swarm cells, there's a really quick way to do that. You can actually just break the boxes apart and lift up the top box and see if there's any swarm cells on the bottom of the top box if you're just specifically looking for swarm cells. So right here you can kind of see, hey, it's kind of a lazy way to do it, but you know, it works. I didn't see any on there. Resources on this frame, no cells. On my hat?
It's on the outside.
Helmet. I called it a helmet. It's not a helmet.
queen?
Oh, yeah, there she is. Okay. You just set her down in that box just for now. There's a bee in my jacket.
Do you want me to get it?
Okay.
This frame right here has some queen cells on the bottom that look like swarm cells. So we're going to make sure this frame stays in the original box so that the bees are able to make a new queen with this frame. And then we'll take the queen from this hive and move it to the other hive without any swarm cells. So she should be happy and content.
She were down in there.
There you go.
The bees are
Oh, there she goes. So quick. She's in.
Doing a video. Here's a video of old comb. Sorry, bees. Old comb with brood and new comb with brood. So the new comb with brood is a lot prettier, but they both hatch out bees the same way.
Please like and subscribe.